this year it's been more important than ever to get those ads in on time. That's always been the case for past years, but this year especially, just because there's so many changes going on, that it has pushed approval times on certain types of campaigns back. Ads that were normally getting approved in maybe one business day, now sometimes they get just stuck in that process for 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
Right. So if you have that pattern of always giving us, ads content, like,
Late.
if you have a Black Friday sale coming and you literally give it to us on the night of Thanksgiving, maybe in the past, maybe you got lucky, it still got approved on time, but it's, that's, with these changes, it's definitely expect longer approval times. So that's more important than ever to make sure you are planning like right now, getting that content ready and getting it, ready well ahead of time.
Yeah.
But yeah, how bid caps usually change depending on seasonality. Like, during the holidays, they're always more expensive traditionally, more so for the retail side that we've seen, just because there's lots of e-com. Just the nature of retail, there's a lot going on during those months, especially in the U.S. So, based on the cycles every year, normally October, November, December, you do see a little bit inflated ad spend. Even those will be higher than you've seen in past years, just due to the nature of some of these changes going on. A lot of you might have already noticed, like if you try to go into Ads Manager and run campaigns of your own, like even Meta has released announcements that they have very clearly said, hey, don't expect the same results because we're just in the midst of changing a whole bunch of things right now. So you're going to see higher ad spend just because they're targeting metrics, they're targeting functionalities, how you create certain demographics to target. All of those are being changed, so the audience size you may have had in the past is no longer the same, or the interests that you were able to input into your ad. Maybe you were able to add in 50, 60 before, maybe that's gone down to 30. So all of these things impact the ad spend. So that's why they say, hey, expect higher ad spend, but at the same time also expect lesser results because their data points are just less. Are those going to be back? Absolutely. Like we've already started, seeing them remove certain interest groups, just revamp them a little bit and add them back in. So they will definitely inevitably be back at some point. It's just right now with all the changes going on, you should, definitely get content in well ahead of time if you are thinking about holiday campaigns, but two, have, just monitor your expectations, this year going into next while they release these changes, because the current Ads Manager on Facebook and on Google actually are both in betas.